What is that, Bus?
After these are done, that's it. I'm not helping you again, and you're not coming back.
Make it squeak again. Squeaky!
I'm expecting to leave with more than half of you. She barely did half the work.
There it is. Does this make up for the new puppy or something?
Did you like it?
Get it.
Cooking. You know, before?
Yeah.
Puppy!
You don't have to be friends. Just doesn't have to be fun.
I was good at it.
You're enjoying that almost as much as the egg. It's okay, bud.
Kind of stuff.
Let's see. Get down. Down.
Don't care about the statue. Did you write it?
Ridiculousness.
Good.
Absolute ridiculousness.
Why'd you steal guns?
Listen to me. You have to protect yourself.
Can I have them?
You're just a cute puppy, Bus.
Not for me.
And then we have cute puppy Shy. Hi. What are you doing? Trying to sleep. Stop waking me up. I'm only 4 or 5 weeks old. You're getting on my nerves. I'm gonna hide from you now.